Running today with the GTX 560 Ti. This is a 2011 video card from Galaxy. It's got 384 shaders, 1 GB of VRAM GDDR5, running with 900 MHz on the core clock, 1050 MHz on the memory clock, 256 bits bus width, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7-6950X with 10 cores and 20 threads. This is a legend of a video card, but the best thing we can do, jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Let's start with Battlefield on 1080p with low details. This is a very old video card. It's got only 1 GB of VRAM and I cannot go too much on the details, but I'm gonna progress on the details and see how it's working with this. You know, as a preset, I want to show you how it's performing. So first off, I want to see as a preset how it's working with low details. I got 900 megabytes of VRAM allocated, 500 process. I put the voltage on 950 because I want to keep this video card cooled. Automated fan speed, let's see how much. 62% fan power in order to keep this video card in this occasion. If I'm interested on playing the game with this type of quality, I mean if I want more quality in this game, I think I have to lower the resolution and put my maybe high details or something like that. Now I got 310 watts consumption from this. It's not bad, you know, if I'm interested on playing this game with high FPS. This is the most important thing because I want hundreds of FPS, you know. It's got display port, it's got HDMI, it's got all kinds of stuff, and it's working really nice, you know, this computer. Can't say nothing bad about it because it does the job. This is by far the best thing I can do for this video card. Is start with low details and see how it's performing from here. Yes, if I can do this, then this is the most awesome thing, you know. I got 100, let me reset this. I got 120 FPS on average. I got 900 megabytes of VRAM allocated. This is good. And 470 processed. I got 58 degrees in this occasion with 62 fan power. This is the best performance I can ask from this video card in this situation. I think the best thing I can do for this is jump now in high details and see how it's performing. Alright, so I'm on high details with this video card and you can actually see I got 60 FPS. Very interesting performance. So on the VRAM side I got like 800 megabytes allocated and 500 utilized. Good performance, but is there a problem? Somebody's here. Let's see how it's running in the base somewhere. Oh man, and see how it's holding on the FPS side. Not a very bad performance from this. I think the best thing I can do is just play the game and see how many FPS I can get with this. On the thermal side, even with this amount of details, is good. I got 67% fan power now in order to keep this video card cooled. This is good, and 500 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Dude, that should have been an easy kill now. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually a good quality here with high details. I got a nice performance. CPU wise, I got like 20% load on the CPU with this occasion, 6.2 GB of system RAM, holding okay-ish. Look at that. What the? Vehicle disabled. That's it. Make my day. No, should have been a better kill. Seriously, should have exploded the whole thing. Alright, not gonna lie, this is actually good. I'm really trying my best here to make this game run with playable FPS. I got DirectX 12 disabled, 100% render scale with low details in this occasion. Let's see how it's running. Maximum load on the video card's core. I got 59 degrees on this occasion, 64% fan power in order to keep this video card cooled. Very interesting. I got almost 60 FPS in some cases. I want to see if I can get a good average on the FPS because that's the only thing that matters. 0.95 on the voltage. It's actually beneficial for the video card. I never seen this video card running with high temperature, and that's the most important thing here in this case. The game is running okay with 60 FPS. I think that if I want more FPS, I have to put lower resolution. Then I can fiddle with the quality. Then I can put whatever quality I want in that situation. This is the most important thing ever here, to see this game running with this video card. I'm in Battlefield 1, you know, with the core maxed out, and there is no discussion. This is a good performance, you know, because the video card can do the job, but the only thing that you need to do in this case is just hold it on low details. That's it. You want to steal it? Come on, let's steal F. Not a bad performance, seriously. I'm actually surprised. It's got 300 watts consumption, this computer with this video card in this case. 50 FPS on average. It's not okay, 55. The FPS on average is, yeah, kind of bad, but this is the only thing that I have in this case. Interesting performance. Stay quiet here, and maybe we can take F. He's teabagging me! It's a very valid question to ask, does it run Grand Theft Auto, you know, on 1080p with maximum details? Let's talk about this resolution. And actually, I don't know, wait, why it was 15 by 9? It's got 15 by... I've never seen something like this, seriously. So I have everything turned on, aside from texture quality, that's medium. It's locked there. I don't know why it's locked on medium, but I want to see how the video card is running with maximum load. Load, I mean 100% load on the core, 100% load on the VRAM. This is a very interesting performance from this, and I really like it, seriously. I don't know what the... Look at that. What? They all died in the car. Look at that. They all dead. What the heck is going on with this car? This is voodoo car. Not gonna lie, this is a very interesting performance from this. I mean, if you're interested on playing GTA 4 with this video card, you can actually see I got a lot of problems here with maximum details, a lot of stutter. Nearly 300 watts consumption from this. It's okay, you know. I just wanted to see if the video card is being loaded. I want to see how it's holding with the temperature, you know. On the temperature side, I got... what? Let's see if we can actually get him out. Can I get him out?
Sorry, not really your day.
I don't even want to know what happened. I put 0.95 from the beginning. I put automated fan and I made a profile in order to see if I can make the video card cool. I think this video card has gotten brand new thermal paste, so shouldn't be any problems in this situation with the video card. You know, funny thing is, it's my generic thermal paste. You know, it's not the high-end thermal paste. It's just that generic thermal paste, and it's holding pretty well. 59, 60 degrees. It's okay with 64% fan power in order to deliver this thermal. It's a good performance on the thermal side. On the GPU core, I mean, it's got 900 megahertz on the core and 100% load, and it's giving me 40 FPS on average, 36 actually, and it's not that bad. The only thing I can do now is just swap it to low details and see how it's performing there. Okay, now I'm on low details. You can actually see based on the quality, I have no shadow, I have nothing here. I got only 400 megabytes of VRAM utilized and 190 process. Actually 200 now. 61 degrees now. You can actually see I got more temperature now, but I got 160 FPS. Look at this. All right, so 66 fan power. This is good, and still maximum load on the video card score. Well, because I got 100 FPS on average. Let's drive a little and see how much it's gonna average. I think it's gonna do really nice in this case. So based on this FPS that I have now, I can understand that I can go medium details or do some custom settings in GTA in order to get the playable FPS. This video card apparently is good with this game, knows how to utilize this amount of VRAM, and I have no problem, you know. So 1 gig of VRAM with the video card like this, it's enough. And I think if I lower the resolution and do some custom settings, it's gonna do even better. Playable FPS with this video card, it's achievable with this Grand Theft Auto. And now look at the stutter, 0. Look at that, under 10 ms. No more Grand Theft Auto. This is Grand Theft Auto 4. Seriously now. This is it. This is the game that I was playing with a GTX 560 Ti. This is one of those that works really nice with this video card on 1080p with medium details. If there is any problems in the game, I can manipulate the render scale or a little the resolution. But usually this is a very nice performance from this video card. It's doing a fantastic job in this occasion. I got nice performance here, 63 degrees on this occasion with 70% fan power, so it's being utilized in this occasion. There's no discussion that is doing the job. 99% load on this with 1 gig of VRAM allocated in World of Tanks. Not bad. is doing a fantastic job on being loaded. 679 megabytes processed and good temperature from the video card. I'm actually surprised it's doing this well. I have to look in the future to change the thermal paste with a high-end one, because I'm afraid about that generic thermal paste, and I want to keep this video card as cool as possible. But in this situation, you can see that yeah, it's not bad. It is a good performance from this. Back in the days, the GTX 560 Ti was something that we pushed this game, seriously. This is the game that we played a lot on this video card. Me and my friend Paul, apparently 560 Ti's was like the club for this game and this video card. So I can't say nothing bad about it, because this was the combination, you know. And considering how nice it's working now, I would say this is yeah, a flashback from this, seriously. This is what I wanted from this video card, to see how it's working in World of Tanks. But it's doing okay, you know, temperature wise, performance wise. It's like 65 degrees, it's okay on the video card with 75% fan power. Not bad, seriously, not a bad performance. Let's jump in Warframe and see how it's performing with 1080p. Let's see what resolution I have. 1080p here. I got a good idea that this is going to be with low presets. So there is a quality preset here, low, and I'm gonna use it like this because I got 1 gig of VRAM allocated, and that is not okay. But I think like this with 1080p is gonna do okay. I got 966 megabytes of VRAM allocated and 546 process. The video card is okay in this case, seriously. I like how it's performing here in Warframe, because you can see that's got good performance. 65 degrees in this occasion is not bad. I think this is how it needs to be with this video card, and most of the time you'll end up with different type of performance if I get a video card like this overheated. This is the most important thing, that if I can put this video card on the playable side, there is no discussion. This is 1080p, it's a lot for this video card. I think 900p or 1366 will be okay. So most of the time I will take that lower resolution in order to get more constant and fluent performance. If I want to play the game with this video card, I will do it like that. Let me do one more time reset, because I think the performance is not quite there. You know, I think 60 FPS with low details, yeah, it's kind of struggling, and I think it needs more in this case. All in all, this video card is kind of good. You can actually see there's a lot of games that I can put on this. So if I want to play the game, I have to do my own settings and own resolutions. On the system side, I got 10.1 gig of system RAM utilized, 10% load on the CPU, less in some situation, you know. But all in all, I can say it's there, you know, it's there when it comes to this performance. Still holding okay. 65 degrees is the most important thing here. I don't want to mess it up, because if it's creating some problems there with the thermals, no, that's the only thing that I want from this. Good temperature, and if I get a good temperature, I will recommend the game. The overall performance with this video card in Warframe is good. 320 watts consumption for an average consumption from this computer. Not a bad performance. Average is good. Performance is good. The only thing I noticed now is 80% fan power in order to keep the video card cool on 66 degrees. But it's got nice performance, and that's why I got that temperature and that fan power. I can hear the fan humming, and yeah, you can see that it's struggling to put now the temperature under 70 degrees. I jumped into Fallout with 1080p and medium details. Why medium details? Well, the game suggested that I need medium details with 1080p, and I was like, oh, are you sure you need medium details? Because I know this game is not very easy on the video cards. It's a little demanding, and if you put medium details, you're gonna lag. And look at this, it's maximum load on the core. I got nearly 60 degrees on this occasion, 960 megabytes of VRAM allocated. Not okay. 690 on the process side, and it keeps going up. This video card is not capable of medium details, but I do appreciate the performance. I got 30-40 FPS. Let's do a reset here and see how it's performing. Interesting performance from this with 40 FPS. I think that I'm going on that low direction, I'm gonna get good FPS and it's gonna be much better. But yeah, definitely not okay in this case. Definitely it's lagging. Look at the frame time, how it looks. I got 300 watts consumption from the whole thing. I got 10% load on the CPU side, 9.8 gig of system RAM utilized, and temperature is good on the CPU. Doesn't have any problems, but on the GPU side can actually see it's starting to creep up the temperature. So yes, Fallout apparently with this video card is possible. It's got a good option here, but I do want to adjust the resolution and the quality. Overall performance in this occasion is not bad. I think this is the only thing that I need in this case, this video card running with 60 FPS. So with medium details there is no problem on getting it to work, but yeah, I definitely need to check out with low details how it's performing, because here you can clearly see that is not ideal. You know, I do appreciate medium details because it's running with some very impressive performance, and it's offering me the load in this situation. It's offering me a way to see how the video card is performing. We definitely need to jump into this game and see how it's performing with this video card. I got enhanced full dynamic light. There is enhanced full dynamic light DirectX 10 there, but I don't want to put it because MS Afterburner is not gonna show it properly. Maximum details and 1080p. This is the most important thing, the performance. What we got here? 52 FPS on average. Let's do a reset here. I want to see what's going on here. So I got 100% load on the video card core. This is good. 800 megabytes allocated and 500 process. The video card is doing okay. I don't want to push too much on this occasion because I want the video card cooled. If there is any problems with this video card and it's reaching 70 degrees, it start cooking that thermal paste underneath. So for some reason I managed to put my hands on a video card and it doesn't have any problems. This is a Fermi video card and it's not overheating. I got 73% fan power in order to keep this video card on 64 degrees, and in this occasion I would say this is very adequate. FPS it's there. I got 100% load on the video card core. It's okay, you know, doesn't have any problems. I got 316 watts consumption from the whole computer with 7.7 gig of system RAM use. I mean, this is doing the job, and this is the only thing that matters, you know. Quality wise is good. Games like this needs to be put on a GTX like this. So if you're interested on say, oh, what I can do with the GTX 560 Ti, well, you can play games like this. But yeah, if you wanna not butcher it, you have to lower the quality maybe to medium, full dynamic light and not enhanced light, and lock it to 60 FPS, and you're going to distress the core. You're gonna have nice temperature, very fluent. MS is going to be very linear, and that's it. And that will be the best option that I can suggest for a video card like this, for an old video card like this. On the system, you see there is no problem. Temperature is good. Everything is good in this occasion. So this game with this video card, there's only 2-3 years difference between them. 2008, 2010, 2 years difference. I think this is okay, you know. And 560 Ti is not a high-end enthusiast level video card. It's a mid-range. I would say it's a very appropriate game for this video card. What happens if we're jumping in Metro? I got 1080p here, low details, DirectX 10, and I think this filter is going to do quite wonders. I'm gonna keep DirectX 10 here. I think there is DirectX 9. I'm gonna stay with DirectX 10 because it's a balance in between the quality. I can go DirectX 9, max out the quality, and it will be a fantastic performance. But if I stay on DirectX 10, it's gonna be okay in between them. I don't think it's worth it with DirectX 11, but that's just an opinion. I'm gonna stay in between because this is what I need from this. I think this is the performance I'm looking for, but I have a problem. Seriously, I have a problem with this because I have playable FPS and it's pissing me off. This is actually good. So if I'm interested on playing the game with DirectX 11, there is a chance. I'm underestimating this video card, seriously. I think that this video card is quite capable of putting more details on the game. I mean, 99 FPS. I think that if I put more details, go maybe normal details, not low details, it's gonna be much better. It's gonna be a nice balance between performance and quality. But I'm getting close to 800 megabytes of VRAM, and in this case that's the killer situation here. Look at this. Even like this looks okay, so there is no problem on getting the game running with this. Performance is here, quality is here, even with low details the game looks fantastic. How is it possible? Explain to me. It's performing really well. Temperature wise it's still okay now with this video card. I got around 70% fan power in order to keep this video card cool like this. On the system side I didn't manage to pass 10 gig of system RAM, only got 7.3 here with 10% load on the CPU. It's good, you know, the overall performance is great here with this, and it's working really nice. I'm very grateful that I have this video card, and every single time you want to see it, every time you want to see some games, some benchmarks, just tell me in the comment section and I will take it out and benchmark it and play some games. There's many games that I need to play on this video card. I want to put it in an older machine with Windows XP. I want to put it in Windows 7. I have some games that I want to play there. Even with this operating system is still great. One thing that I didn't have problems is to put this 391 driver. Apparently they gave me an error. I think it's because Windows 10 doesn't want to take this driver, but I did add manually the drivers in device manager, and I put the drivers and it was working. I'm happy with the thermals here. I got sensors. Look at this, 35 degrees in idle, a Fermi video card. This is fantastic, seriously. This is actually a good performance from this video card. Do I recommend something like this? If you find a model like this, I recommend it. It's literally a price video card, you know. It's like a collectible. It's like you put it on a shelf and it's shiny, you know. It's like a trophy. It's exactly, that's it. It's a trophy video card. It's not something that you put it on and say, you know what, I feel like using this Fermi video card and play some old games. No, this is literally a trophy video card. If you find it tomorrow, get it. If you have it, don't sell it or give it to somebody who appreciates it. 560 Ti, a normal one. This is gonna be very interesting because I like them. I like the 560 Ti and I think it's worth it, you know. They are very cheap. Here I can go in Fortnite and World of Tanks and Counter-Strike and all kinds of games with 720p. I'm gonna see the same performance, you know. Not that I don't like it, it's just not the right conditions for this video card. I think the right condition is with all games and all the operating systems. And all of a sudden I appreciate that Q9650 CPU with that old operating system because it does exactly what I want. It offers me some nice entertainment with some very interesting video cards. I like it. I recommend it. They need to be cheap because there are more efficient video cards now on the market. A Fermi video card is not very hard to ruin because of the temperature, but if you do find something that is very good on the thermal side, keep it because they hold really well, seriously. If you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment, smash that like button, and I will see you very soon.